In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products from AliExpress to Shopify. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate your selected products into your Shopify store using the DS's app. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is where you'll manage most of your store's functions. Next, look to the bottom left and click on Apps and Sales Channels. Next, open up the Shopify App Store. This will open up a section where you can explore different applications that can enhance your Shopify experience. Go to the Shopify App Store and in the search bar, type DSers. DSers is the official AliExpress dropshipping partner app, designed to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress smoothly. Click on DSers AliExpress Dropshipping and then hit Install. You may need to install twice during this process. If you don't have a DS's account yet, you can create one right there. Select the free plan to get started. Once the setup is complete, click Get Started, and from the options, select AliExpress. This integration is key since AliExpress is your main source of dropshipping products. Now go to the Find Products tab. This is where the magic happens. Search for the products you'd like to sell in your store. Once you find something you want, click the Add to Import List button. But to import, you will also need to add the DS's extension to Chrome. Click on Add Extension and then Authorize. After the extension has been added, go back to the website and import products. After building your import list, review the products carefully. When you're satisfied with your selection, go to the Import Product section and click Push to Store and Confirm. To check, go back to Shopify's main page and click on Products. Your chosen AliExpress products are now successfully added to your Shopify store and ready to sell. And that's it. A smooth and efficient way to enhance your Shopify store with products directly from AliExpress using DS's. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you can use the link in the description to get started for just $1 for 3 months. Thank you for watching.